Yes, we are back. It's a Monday. It's a Monday, beautiful Monday. Yeah, with the daily dose of CSA. Yes, with the Herald. That's where we get the articles. Yeah, it was a dope weekend. It was a beautiful weekend. What was beautiful was the fact that we had power cuts around here for like good 24 hours of power cuts. So yes, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, so we had power cuts around here, 24 a good 24 hours. Um I've never been happy to experience power cuts because Kaiser Chiefs again was playing and I didn't get to see it. Thank God. Didn't get to see it because yeah, it was another rebuilding loss that we experienced 2-1 against Golden Arrows still. So now we're getting used to losing to teams like Golden Arrows. Golden Arrows, Kaiser Chiefs. Thank God for the power cuts. Didn't get to see that. Didn't get to be heartbroken because us as Kaiser Chiefs fans, week in week out, hearts are our hearts are squandered. Our hearts, mm-mm. Yes. So the power cuts. There we go. There we go. But power cuts again. I should watch my mouth. I should watch my mouth. I'm not gonna say I like power cuts again, because yes, seems like I'm a magician. Seems like I'm a witch, don. Mhm. Seems like I'm doing witchcraft. I should position this witchcraft to Kaiser Chiefs. I should say I love it when we are winning. If I say Chiefs is winning, maybe we might win. Maybe we might win next week or this Wednesday. I don't know when we are playing. Because I can't take these losses, bro. I can't. Against Golden Arrows still. Against guys, we are getting used to this thing. We are getting used to it. But yeah, every weekend I get 2-1, and now Golden Arrows is on the top three because of us. And I don't even think we are on the top eight. I Kaiser Chiefs, man, you are, you are, yeah. If you want heart attack, everything that is not good for your body, be a Kaiser Chiefs fan, because yeah. We go through the most. We go through the most, and then I had to read that Andile Charlie, one of the greatest players right now, midfielder for Chippa United, very experienced soccer player. According to the article, the guy went missing. The guy is missing. No injury, no suspension. No one knows his whereabouts. He's not pitching to the games. We don't know what's happening. But still, Chippa United is winning. They won without him. And as Kaiser Chiefs, we have everyone. No one is missing. Everyone is here. We are rebuilding and losing. Are we not learning from Chippa United? Are we not learning, Braz? Can't we learn? Ha 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 ha. Yo, heartbroken week in, week out, week in. I should watch rugby. I should watch another sport now because Kaiser Chiefs, no man. Oh, I forgot to tell you, Zozi, Miss Universe is married. Miss Universe is married. Hey, these guys are quick, man. He wins a crown, bah, in, get it right our way. No 10 years, no 5 years. Just Miss Universe, make me some tea. Miss Universe, where's my food? Huh? Huh? He paid Lobola right away to Miss Universe. This guy didn't waste any time. Didn't waste any time. Gets married to Miss Universe. Zozi, congratulations. You, while we are crying about Kaiser Chiefs, uh, now this guy comes in and takes Miss Universe. We didn't know. We didn't know. We were just shocked. One day, you just see pictures of the wedding. Pictures of the wedding. Two weddings, to be exact. The white wedding, ba. Now, traditional. Miss Universe deserves it all. Miss Universe is a tsiki eater right now. She's winning. She's winning. This guy. This guy. This guy didn't waste time. Didn't give us opportunity to meet Miss Universe by chance. It didn't give us a chance. He went straight. Will you marry me, Miss Universe? Said yes. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Oh, so Zozi. Uh, is it Zozibini? Yeah, Zozibini. We should. Her name already was The name was already wife material. Even the name Zozibini. I don't know now that, because when Xhosas are getting married, she's gonna get a new name. Zozibini was already beautiful. So top that to whoever was gonna give her the she already got the name. She already got the name. We need to know the name. We need to know the name Zozibini, because now she has a new name. Of course, not just a surname, a new name. Can't be bringing Nosakele here. There's no Nosakele. Top Zozibini, because Zozi, that's a beautiful name. So who's this guy? I hear he's a manager at ESCOM. So Zozi, from responsibility of being Miss Universe to getting married to manager of the ESCOM situation. Since you know, Zozi, our ESCOM, we just had this situation now, this weekend. Zozi, we're gonna call you. Every power outrage, we are calling you. Talk to your boy. Talk to your man. Huh? So I hear there was a lot of dope people. The king of Amampondo Misa was there. You know our closer people. He's a king, so he's matured. He's a senior citizen, I'm sure, and plus he's a king. People, a closer man with power. Uh, Sometimes they are sharpshooters when it comes to their speeches, as we know from Utatu Talinjebo. We know he's a straight shooter. So the king as well of Amampondo Mise, Umatiwane, Bawo, Xhego, he said he is a very proud. He is a very proud that Zozi decided to marry local. is is very proud that she married local. Uh-huh. Yes, King. Hey, this is Miss Universe, bro. This is Miss Universe. She could have done a mini Dlamini, she would have done Jessica Mutawong and just married an American, I mean, the opportunities were endless. But decided to go for ESCOM. This girl is smart, yeah. This girl is smart. She decided to go ESCOM manager, East London, around Eastern Cape. Keep it, Eastern Cape. That's what I tell these people. Don't be going outside too much and come here with broken hearts. Keep it here. Let's break each other's hearts here. Let's marry each other here. So Matiwane Kosiam, the king, he said is proud that village and village, they are coming together. Village. Huh? It's not America. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I saw this fine hand from the motherland. She married local. East London, not East London. East London, ESCOM. Uh, ESCOM. I can imagine those cows. ESCOM. ESCOM. Load shedding is no more. Load shedding is no more. Zozi is representing. Hey, pillow talk, you must make sure stage 3 doesn't happen. We discuss these things on the pillow talk. Yeah, because he at the boardroom is not working. It's working against us. So congratulations to Miss Universe. This guy didn't. Hey, this guy. This guy. Yo, it didn't. Bruh, me marrying Zozi. Yo, Zizo better on the other side. Yo, yeah, Zozi, bruh. You must save. You must save the cows, save the man, the kettles, the kettles, keep the kettles, huh? But this guy didn't waste no time, no time. And since it's a Monday, I'm gonna keep it there on a happy note and congratulate Miss Universe and who kept it Eastern Cape, who kept it here at home. Yeah. So now we have a queen and a king from here. They are just here. Don't leave Eastern Cape, guys. Ladies, ladies, don't leave Eastern Cape. Keep it here. We Eastern Cape men, they don't waste time. We that this guy has represented us with with Miss Universe. I just can't wait to hear her name, man. Like what's her new name? What's her new name? You know, if you find out her new name, please put it out on the comments. Leave the on the comments, or maybe you can guess. I don't know. I don't know. Let's guess the name. I'm sure it's beautiful, but damn, Zozibini is a dope name. So you will have, you know, yeah, you will have to come up with no pressures here. Don't bring pressures. Yeah, another name. Can't wait to hear the name. So thank you so much. Let's talk tomorrow. Congratulations to Zozibini. Let's keep it Monday, a proper, a happy, a jolly Monday. You know, no sad news, no sad news, no money stolen, no money stolen. We keep it here. The sad part is Kaiser Chiefs, but we are over it. We are getting used to the losses. So yes, let's talk tomorrow.